Ito part 1 na okay guys. Nararo ko na yung niraro natin. So, magko-comment tayo bukas. Ay, gagi, meron tao, gags. Ayun, may tao rin. Bukas, comment niyo ako dito sa part 2. Kasi magko-comment ako grabo neto. Can you say ay, Bish! Bish! Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama's name? Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama's name? Speed tower ko to, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Okay! Okay. Oops. So good. Okay. Oops. Oops. You miss. What's it? What's so sad? Can you say smile, please? Can you say smile, please? Can you say mama? Mama's name. Can you say mama? Mama. Nagagalit ako, guys. Parang intrude yung pangalan ko dito eh. Okay. Guys, tatanggalin ko yung sound. Okay. Ay, gosh!